Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I've been waiting for this to come in for like a week now, but recently I did a purchase with Gerard Cosmetics, and they came out with some mystery boxes, which are called their love boxes. So I got the highest priced one, which is called the Diamond Love Box, but we're gonna get into it and everything like that. But before we get into this video, you guys should already know the deal. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxings, that way I know to keep doing them for you guys. Comment down below, let me know if you guys want me to try these products out in a new video, like reviewing or whatever like that, and I'll do so for you guys. And follow me on all of my other social media platforms, that way you guys can stay updated with me and all that good jazz. So let's get to the juicy stuff. Alright, so I have no makeup on. I just came out of work and I have to sit down and film this because I'm super freaking excited. So for those of you who do not know, I am an affiliate with Gerard Cosmetics. I do have a coupon code down below. If you guys want to use it, you can. If you don't, cool beans. But with my code, you can get 30% off on anything that is full price. If it's a sale item, you cannot use the code. But yeah, so if you guys want to go ahead and use that, go ahead, be my guest. I do get a commission off of it, but like I said, I'm not gonna force you. It is what it is. So I got their love box. This is the Diamond box, and it retailed for $149, but had over $400 worth of products inside. So we're gonna get into it. So it comes with this card here, and they did this in honor of their 5-year anniversary. So it has like a little card here and stuff like that. So there was 3 boxes. There was a gold that was $39, which retailed for $110 minimum value. Then there was a platinum that was $69. That was a minimum of $195. And then I got the diamond, which was $149, which had a $425 minimum value. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think you can still get these. I'll let you guys know if you could. I'll have something right here, but we're just gonna start grabbing things out of the box and everything. So the first thing I got here is a lip pencil in Underground. Ooh, I don't have this one, so I'm super excited. Ooh, look at that. Let me just swatch it on, guys. So this is like a taupey nude color. That's really pretty. That's so pretty. So we got that. And I'm gonna be having like the value of the item. So like if it's a lip pencil, I'll have like, I'm gonna have, you know, pricing and everything like that. That way you guys can know, like, you know, you are getting your money's worth with these boxes. So the next thing I have here is a Hydra Matte in the shade, what's this, Ruby. Okay. Like I'm gonna have like tons of swatches. Okay, so I have some small boxes here. These are, what are these, setting sprays? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 3 mini setting sprays. This is what they look like here. I do have full size sizes. Mine's is over there, but it's like this big, and I have peach. So I'm excited to try jasmine, and I'm actually out of my coconut, so I'm super excited that I got this, and so excited to try watermelon. So these are the 3 that I have here. Then we have a Mystified Hydrating Facial Mist. I already have one, so this is cool for backup. This stuff is really good if you're someone that has dry skin, because it actually really does hydrate the skin. I actually put that on. I spray it on before I put on my skincare. Like after I wash my face, I spray that, and then I'll apply, you know, my serums and moisturizers and all that stuff. And I also apply that too before applying makeup, and it just kind of like helps, you know, give some hydration to the skin. So the next thing in the box is a brow bar to go. This is what it looks like. I have one here and I've used it on my channel as well. In my brow tutorial, I believe I used this. So this was in the shade Blonde Brunette. So this is too light for me to use, but I do take clients, so I can definitely use this in my kit. My mom actually has blonde hair, so that'll be cool to use it when I do her makeup. The next thing I have in here is the Eternal eyeliner. I've heard so many good things about this, and the last time I purchased from them, I forgot to get it. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh, can I take it out of the box? Jen, come on, this packaging is so hard to get it out. Okay, so this is it. It's a liquid liner. I suck when it comes to liquid liners, but I want to see how the brush tip is. Let's see. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna like this. This has like that felt tip. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has like that felt tip brush, and look how black that is. That's really black. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, so the next I have is a Color Your Smile lip gloss in the shade Wild Orchid. I actually have one of these already, so I will put this away for a future giveaway. This is how it looks here. Yes, I have this already. I actually got in PR. Okay. Alright, so the next is a Supreme lip cream in the shade Blooming Hibiscus. This is a lot of stuff. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, ooh, this is a pretty shade. That is really, really nice. I don't think I have this. So I'm gonna keep this. This is nice. It's like a gloss, but it's like a pigmented gloss. Really, really pretty. Ooh, and it smells so good. It's like sweet. It smells really, really good. Okay. Then we have another Hydra Matte in the shade Summer Lovin'. Summer Lovin', honey, I think that's what I'm saying, right? So this is it here. I don't usually do bright bubblegum pinks. Like this is like a neon, but this would be really, really nice, like as a liner or something. So, or even with like a purple lip liner, it'll work like that too. Alright. Then this one is a Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick in Cherry Bomb. I actually seen some of my friends use this one, and I wanted to get it, so I'm excited that I got it in this box. So that's it there. Look at that. So pretty. No, baby, your chicken nuggets are not done yet. My baby's so hungry. Okay, we got another Hydra Matte in Gravity. Ooh. Okay, I'm so excited. I've been eyeing this one for a hot minute now. So, gosh, it looks so exciting, you guys. This one is like a really like nice, cool tone, grayish purple. Oh gosh, I love the smell of their Hydra Mattes. This is it right here. Their Hydra Mattes smell so good. It smells vanilla-y. Yeah, it smells like vanilla. But this is a really, really pretty shade. I've seen this on a few people, and they look different on everybody. That's what I've noticed about the lipsticks and the Hydra Max, but you know. So this is another Hydra Matte in this shade Adam and Eve. That's it. That's really new. This definitely would be too light for me, but I can use it for clients, and I may be able to use it, you know, for with like a darker lip liner. So this is another Hydra Matte in West Coast. This is pretty. This is a pretty color. This is like a really nice summery color. That's really pretty. I actually really like this shade. That is so pretty. Alright, we got some more stuff. Not done yet. Another metal matte in Dream Weaver. I'm so happy, like I have all of these metal mattes and Hydra mattes because I've been meaning to stock up and I just never do. Like I always just buy a couple things and I stick to the normal nudes. I never use the crazy colors, but look at that. That is so freaking pretty. This would be like a really nice topper. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got another Supreme Lip Cream in the shade Destiny. What's this gonna look like? Ooh, right up my alley. Right up my alley. This is like a nice little mauve shade. There you go, right there. Oh yes, I can't. Jen, I'm so excited. Yeah, my camera died. Dang it. Alright, so we have 2 bullet lipsticks, and I have Mystic Moon and Kiss and Tell. I actually recently saw this one being used in an Instagram post, and I fell in love with that. That is so pretty. Like, it's crazy because I really don't do pinks, but there's some pinks that I don't know, like it really catches my eye. So I'm excited. Gerard Cosmetics literally has some of the best lip products that I've ever tried, you guys, no lie. Like their Hydra Mattes are so comfortable to wear. They're not drying at all. And the packaging, look at this. Gold. Look at that. So freaking pretty. So this one's called Mystic Moon. Mystic Moon. That's it there. That's really nice. I like that. Why somebody's alarm want to go off when I'm filming? Jesus! Okay, so this is a glitter lipstick. And I'm super stoked for this. Look at that. The packaging is rose gold. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I need more of these. This is such a pretty shade. Look at that sparkle. Oh my gosh, I need more. Okay, I think after this I'm gonna do some shopping. I need to stop buying stuff, you guys. If you only knew how much stuff I actually order in a week. Okay, I have another gloss here. It's called Peaches and Cream. You see the light? I don't know if you guys can see the light in there. It has an LED light. This would be a nice topper for like, this is really light. This would be perfect for someone who's very fair, but I can definitely use that as a topper when I'm wearing like a dark lip and want like the center of the lip to be nice and what's that thing called? Light. Okay, so this is a lip pencil in Luna. I actually own this already, but I'm kind of running low, so now I gotta back up. And there's one more item left, and I'm really excited for this because every time I go to order it, it's actually sold out. But it's the Soleil All Day. Like, this is like so perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys can see my purple vanity. But this is like so perfect to, you know, use when you're doing your makeup, whether you're filming or just, you know, getting ready. It's just, and then it's like matte. I like that. Oh yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that's in the box. A lot of lip products, but Gerard Cosmetics is definitely really known for their lip goodies. I mean, they started off with the teeth whitening, but a lot of people know them for their lip products. So I'm super excited because I've been trying to grow my collection, and like I said, I'm always like procrastinating on what to get. Like, I always second guess myself and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited to try like all of these new shades. Look at that. That's so neon. That is like super neon. Oh my gosh, that as a liner. I'm telling you, like, that as a liner is really fun. But yeah, that's, I just can't wait. I can't wait. I need to do like a whole display of all my Gerard Cosmetics stuff because your girl is just like, I'm ready to use everything. So yeah, that's everything in the box. If you guys enjoyed the unboxing, then as always, thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel. I don't know what you're waiting for already. Just hit the button. It's right down below. Like, you can't miss it at all. And follow me on all of my other socials. That way you stay updated with me. I've been on Twitter a lot lately, so if you guys have a Twitter, follow me on Twitter. It's down below in the description. And that's it. See you guys in the next one.